Hello everyone, welcome to Tasty Marination. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe of 2-layer chocolate milk burfi. Chocolate milk burfi is one of the fancy sweets. You can make this not only for Diwali but for any festival or special occasions. It looks so pretty with 2 layers and it tastes so delicious. This will sure be a hit among your family and friends, so let's get started. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Now we let it melt completely. To this add half a cup of milk and 1 cup of milk powder. Keep stirring it. Keep the flame low while doing this. Now we'll add 1/4 cup of sugar. Give everything a good mix. Make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Cook it on low flame until the mixture starts to thicken. Next we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it a good stir. Keep stirring it, otherwise the milk solids can stick to the bottom of the pan. The mixture has started to thicken. Cook it a bit more. Now the mixture has started to leave the sides of the pan. It took me around 10 to 12 minutes to cook this entire mixture on low flame. At this stage I am adding half a teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee in the burfi mix. Mix it well. Do not overcook the mixture, otherwise it will become chewy. Now our mixture is ready, so I am going to turn off the heat. Now I am going to divide this mixture into 2 parts. Transfer this mixture into a greased bowl. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. To this I am gonna add a teaspoon of milk and mix it well. Now our cocoa powder mixture is ready. This remaining mixture I am gonna add the prepared cocoa mixture. Now I'll add half a teaspoon of powdered sugar to balance the sweetness. Now give everything a good mix. Now cook this chocolate mixture on slow flame for 1 minute. Cook it until it starts to leave the sides of the pan. Now it has started to leave the sides of the pan, so I'm going to turn off the heat. Here I have lined a tray with butter paper and with some ghee. Now transfer the burfi mixture to the tray. Now spread it evenly with the help of a greased spatula. Next we'll spread chocolate layer over the milk layer. Now spread it evenly with the help of a spatula. Now Now I'm gonna garnish it with some silver leaf or work. Now let it rest for 2 to 3 hours to set. Now our barfi is perfectly set, so let's demold it. Now let's cut it. Now I'll show you how it looks. Yeah, it looks so yummy and pretty. Let's plate them. Now our 2-layer chocolate milk barfi is ready to serve. This chocolate milk barfi just tastes as good as the traditional barfi. Do allow at least 30 minutes setting time in fridge to get neat pieces. The only thing you have to be careful about is cooking the barfi mixture till it reaches the stage where it can set. This 2-layer chocolate milk barfi can last more than a week, and you can make them in advance to store in a container. After watching the video, if you like my recipe, do hit the like button and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new recipes, and do not forget to subscribe to Tasty Marination for more such interesting recipes. Thanks for watching.